Yo, what's up guys? My new sound pack is dropping by the end of this month, and this one will be really simple, just straight melody samples made with my synths. For every melody you will find a folder with the melody stamps with all the melody elements, so you can completely flip these melodies and have the most capabilities of sampling them. So if you are interested in this one, click the link in my profile because you can join the waitlist to get early access and the exclusive discount. As a thank you for joining the waitlist, I will also put in some exclusive sounds I've never released before, so make sure to check this out and have a nice weekend.